Welcome friends. In this video we will see various types of style sheets. We can insert style in our document by various ways. There are mainly three ways by which we can insert CSS in our HTML document. First is the externally, internally and inline. So let's see first inline. To define inline style sheet, we have to pass style at the time of writing HTML tag. So here we have created h1 tag. Now I want to set inline style sheet for this h1 tag. So write first style is equal to, in double quote we have to write here property or a declaration. I want to set color to red, give semicolon, and I want to also set font size. So give font size colon and give size which you want to set. I want to set to 30, so give 30. So this is the syntax to give inline style sheet. Now let's run this document. We can see the style for particular tag is set. So this is where how we can give inline style sheet. Now let's quickly discuss internal style sheet. So to give internal style sheet we have to write style tag. We have to write style tag in anywhere in body. In between style tag we have to define style. I want to set property of h1 tag, so write h1 as a selector. In curly braces I want to give color is equal to red and size is equal to 30, same as inline. So I am pasting this code or property in h1 tag. Now I am removing inline style sheet. I am also defining style for p, which is paragraph, and color is equal to green, font size to 15. Save this and let's run. So we can see how the property is set to various tags and elements. h1 is set to red color and p tags are set to green color and size of this tag are set. So this is internal style sheet which we can define using style tag in head. Now let's see external style sheet. For creating external style sheet, we need extra file. So open the notepad. I am just cutting the style code and pasting it to the extra file and save this file with .css extension. I am giving style.css. Now to access this file into our document, I have to link this CSS file with our HTML document. So link tag is used. Now I have to pass relation is equal to style sheet and href is equal to path of the CSS file. Here it is style.css and complete link tag. Now let's see what happens. We can see nothing is changed because we have already define the style in external file. Now let's change color is equal to blue in external file and reload. We can see color is automatically changed. When there is a multiple page which you want to give same style or same effect to all these page, then we can use external style sheet. So this is about various types of style sheet. Thank you.